sa iyong komunidad. Piliin mo ang iyong bukas. Exercise your right at pumoto sa Martes, November 2nd.
You think the sushi that we eat at restaurants is just Japanese food art or edible art? You are mistaken. Once again, ito na naman po ang kwento ng magkasuyong Angie at Joe and the story of each of the sushi dishes that they share.
Okay, pe-present namin sa inyo yung karamihan, isa sa mga specials namin sa Kazuyo Sushi and Sake dito sa Melrose. Karamihan dito, na-inspire si Joe na i-invent dahil sa dishes natin back home. Let's say this one, nakuha niya or na-inspire siya sa recipe ng adobo. Di ba, Joe?
Yeah, adobo. Kasi, kaya lang isda nga lang siya. So meron siyang garlic, tapos mix of vinegar and toyo. So bali, kumbaga ito, ang pangalan niya is garlic albacore, pero with a touch of Filipino
Yes.
Because adobo sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maraming kote ang gustong-gusto niya. Kaya definitely, yung adobo gustong-gusto talaga ng mga kote. Next one is this one. Ito, we call this banana wonton. It's one of our desserts. Na-inspire si Diyos sa paggawa nito yung tinatawag nating turon. So meron siyang saging sa loob, tapos lagyan lang ng cinnamon and little Japanese ingredients there. Tapos big hit din kasi it's really tasty. Ito naman si Joe mag-explain.
So ito yung Melrose roll na pinaghalo siyang spicy tuna and a crab with a spicy albacore seared sashimi grate on top of that. Then we put the crispy onion. So it's caramelized blackened crispy onion siya. So ito ang story naman nito, kaya pag na-invento to kasi yung Melrose para siyang biglang quiet place ngayon. Pero pagka dinig mo siya sa loob at kinain mo, matitigmo pa rin sarap ng Melrose.
Yes. And lastly, this is our signature roll. We call it Kazuya roll. Kaya siya Kazuya roll kasi pinagsama ni Joe yung favorites namin. Paborito kasi yung crab, paborito niya yung shrimp. Tapos pinagsama niya, tapos carbless. Tapos dinagyan ng maraming klase. Lahat ng sashimi, actually lahat ng masarap na dito sa Kazuya roll. Yung sashimi na tuna, salmon, name it, it's here. And it's carbless too. So pagka tinikman nyo, it's really simple kasi made of cucumber. Pero yung sauce niya, it's really depend on a person na kung gusto medyo tasty and may pagka adventurous yung person, then dip it in the sauce and it's really, really good.
Kung makikita nyo, para siyang castle, kaya we call it Kazuyo. Ito yung castle namin ni Angie na ito yung pinakahagdanan papunta sa castle. Ito ang binabayan namin ni Angie. Kazuyo. Kazuyo roll.
Sana po nabusog kayo at na-in-love kayo sa ating programa ngayong hapon. Mga kwento ng Kababayans in Dining na meron pang side story, meron pa pong love story. But you know what? More importantly, we hope we were able to instill pride in each of you today because today we learned the stories, the struggles of our Kababayans and also their victories. Kababayans who are representing well for us here in the U.S. Sana po na-inspire din kayo katulad ng pagkaka-inspire natin dito sa lovely setting that we have for this show. We'd like to thank the Nuida family, Rocio and Carlene, for opening their home to us today on the show. At in the coming days, I'm sure you're gonna meet them also here on Kababayan LA. For now, ako po si Janelso, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. I'll see you again next time.
Calling the Philippines can